Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. First of all, I would like to wish you a very happy Children's Day. It's really a day when we celebrate together and we enjoyed a lot together. But alas, for the pandemic situation, this year we cannot celebrate together. जैसे हर अंधेरी रात के बाद एक नई सुबह आती है, वैसे ही होप सो we will also be together once again, inshallah. So we will not lose our hope and we will pray to Allah Pak so that we can accept the situation and we can fight the situation, and inshallah we will succeed and we will be once again together in the next Children's Day. So today I would like to say you few things about the Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November every year. It was the birth ceremony of our first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. He was born on 14th November 1889. I repeat, he was born on 14th November 1889. He loved the children most, and that's why his birthday is celebrated as Children's Day. Not only he, but the children also loved him a lot, and that's why they call him Chacha Nehru. We also love you a lot. On this auspicious day, I would like to say you one of the famous quotes of Chacha ji, that is, the children of today will make the India of tomorrow. The children of today will make the India of tomorrow. The way we bring them up will determine the future of the country. So my dear little heroes, my dear little angels, you are the future of this country. Not only the country, we have to think about the whole mankind, means whole world. We are the ummah of last prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So we will not only see the country, but we will see the whole world, because the world has now become a village, and that's known as a global village. So we have to think about the whole world. As we all know that we believe and we have the belief for you that you will be the future leaders of our country. You will shine like a pole star, and you will, whenever and wherever you will go, your name will be at the topmost, inshallah. Here I would like to say to my senior students, especially students of class 3 and 4, that beta, you have to be a educated human being, not educated robot. You have to understand the difference between reverence and blind following. You have to understand the difference between honesty and cheating. You have to be very patient, and you have to save the earth, because as I have told earlier, you are the leader of the future. Educating the mind without educating the heart is no education at all. Educating the mind without educating the heart is no education at all. Suppose you become a very good doctor, very good engineer, world famous scientist, but you don't have the morality, you don't have the humanity, you don't have the kindness, you don't have the love for the poor, then there is no benefit of being so-called highly educated people. You have to be educated with a kind heart and a very good soul. Then I think our motto means, then I think we can be success. We the teachers can be success. So here I would like to request my teachers, my respected teachers, that make the student taught how to think, not what to think. We have to make them understand the real life, not the real life. At last, but not least, I would like to end my speech on a short shairi on behalf of my dear students. So this is for my respected teachers. Now thank me, your student. Thank me, one of your student, because I also learn a lot from you. But today I am going to say something on behalf of my dear students. आज हम खूब मौज उड़ाएंगे कि आज हम खूब मौज उड़ाएंगे, साल भर तो आपकी हमने सुनी है, आज हम बातें आपको अपनी बताएंगे। कि साल भर तो आपकी हमने सुनी है, आज हम बातें आपको अपनी सुनाएंगे। सारे स्कूलों से अच्छा मासूम है हमारा, हम बच्चे हैं इसके, ना डांटना हमें दोबारा। Thank you. Have a nice day. And I would like to request my dear teachers to not scold the students, because it's their nature to be naughty. And I would like to request my dear guardians also, in this lockdown situation. I know they are making so much troubling things in the home, but don't scold them, because they are also getting bored by sitting whole day in the room. Thank you. Have a nice day.